Sign up for my free ukulele course with the link down below. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to learn the new song Changes. If you guys want to check out the guitar version, as you guys can see, I just did one, so it should be up here in the link if you guys want to learn that one. But in this video, we're going to learn on the ukulele. This has 3 chords. First chord is going to be an F major 7. I'm going to show you guys 2 ways to play that. So, you can play the F, and then add the C here, and I'm going to add this here. This might be hard for some of you. So another way to play this is going to be barring the 5th fret, and then ring finger here on the 7th. So you can use that. It's much easier. Second chord is going to be an E minor. And the next chord is going to be a D minor. If you want to add that to a D minor 7, you're going to add your pinky to the C. 3rd fret on the A string. Okay. So F major 7, E minor, then a D minor, or you can do a D minor 7, and that is the 3 chords. Alright, so I have some tabs on the screen on how to follow this, but it's kind of easy. So you just hit the top string, the 3rd string, and the last string. So it's going to go like this. Again. So that's the first chord. Then we're going to go to the E minor, which is 2 hits. So you're just playing the 3 bottom strings. And then the D minor is just 1. So you can just do that. Or you can strum. Again, so. So 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Alright, so that's kind of matching the picking in the song. If you guys want to strum it, you guys can just go down, 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 down. Just end it on D minor. 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I hope that helped you guys learn the song. Don't forget you guys can check out my guitar version somewhere around here. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, comment what songs you guys want to hear, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.